Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice bucket auger assembly in this Samsung refrigerator, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the left side refrigerator door and pull the old ice bucket auger assembly out of its housing to remove. To install the new ice bucket auger assembly, align it with the housing and push straight back. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.